Let's keep on going here. Katul Patel, welcome Katul, says, what's the hiring manager's process looking at work experience? I have 1.4 years of experience, and I apply to 2 to 3 years of experience requiring job with a skill set match. Go for it. Go for it. Don't let that hold you back. I can appreciate that some of you are being very dogmatic about the about following what the description says. I think that's pretty natural if you have a scientific mind. You know, you're being very strict about what it says, and that's cool, right? But when it comes to jobs, there is some leniency there from my perspective as a hiring manager, right? It's not going to prevent me from at least initiating some of those steps, right? From again, just making that yes/no decision of, do I want to interview this person? From the interview, from a phone screen, that's going to be a little bit more deterministic of saying, yeah, you know, they kind of show that they've only had 1 year of experience. You know, the experience isn't quite there, I might say.